Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating the x-axis values and computing mean and standard deviation. This gives the parameters Excel needs to plot a normal curve. Once done, fill x values across the range that covers +/-3 standard deviations so the curve shows tails clearly. Make sure to set a consistent step like 0, 1 or 0. 0, 1 depending on smoothness desired. Prepare separate columns for the normal PDF formula and any histogram frequency, so you can plot both together. Now compute the probability density for each x with equals norm. Dist x mean stdev false. This returns the PDF height, not cumulative probability, which you need for a curve. Then build histogram bins and derive counts via frequency or countifs so you can overlay observed distribution. Make sure to copy formulas down the entire x range so the curve is continuous. Once calculations are complete, convert counts to density if you want the histogram to share the same vertical scale as the PDF. Insert a combo chart. Plot histogram counts as clustered columns and the PDF column as a smooth line. Select secondary axis if scales differ, then align by converting counts to densities or rescaling so the line sits atop bars. Make sure to format the line thickness and colors for contrast and add axis titles showing units and probability density. If the curve looks jagged, increase X resolution, smaller step, and recalc. If heights mismatch, verify you used false in norm. Dist for PDF rather than cumulative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.